Welcome to the product close-up of the Cozy Coffee Die Set from our Warm and Cozy release. It allows you to make a coffee cozy.
Here's the die set. So it comes with one large die that will serve as the main part of the coffee cozy. And typically for a project, you'll want to cut 2 of these out and sew them back to back. Then it comes with this frame here, these 2 dies that are a frame. And what you can do is, this fits perfectly if you want to further embellish the main part of the coffee cozy. We have a beautiful heart die. We have a circle die, which if you have our Marshmallow Alpha, they fit perfectly within this circle die. And super exciting is we have a pumpkin die with all the components here. We have some leaves. Some with stitches, some not. We have this die right here, which adds stitching to your stitching holes to whatever element you want to use. So you could very well die cut holes into this leaf if you want to. Fits perfectly. As well as the letters from the Marshmallow Alpha. I have done that as well. It's a little bit tricky at times, but it definitely is, you definitely can do this. So I will have a project example in a separate video where I've done this. Then we have, so I'll leave this. Then we have some flower dies. Right here, these 3 can come together, and then we also have like a button die. So there's lots of ways to embellish the cozy cover and make it really personalized for whoever you're gifting it to. Here's the finished project. I have 3 pumpkins and different layers. I did different stitches. Some items I just glued on, and that's okay too. And actually I do glue on the items a little bit before I stitch so that they stay in place where I want them to be. This is a 20-ounce coffee cup, and the fun thing is you can fill it with, you know, as a gift with candies, a gift card, anything that you can think of. So it's really a fun gift item. So hopefully you'll give it a try, and thank you for watching.
We can't wait to see what you'll make with the Cozy Coffee Die Set. Please share all your projects with us on social media by tagging us at Trinity Stamps. Have a great day!